If you want to get yes for the answer, we need to go by systematic steps. The third is, whatever the results we are trying, what level of confidence we can tell to the users. Okay, if you take the results from my study and if you apply it, you will also give with the 95% profit.
So myself, Dr. Upeka Jain, I'm representing on behalf of Trinity University and Dr. Nathan Jain too. And this conference, the international conference, was really a nice conduct where researchers, the principal scientists, and new upcoming students can gather and share the researchers, and also I think it is an informative session for you guys, especially because we can say that after the UD program, that is a BTech program, you're entitled for even the PhDs if you're at a good grade. So I wish you all the best, and also thank all the dignitaries and invitees.